So we have the Bangkok Post. We have a cyclist, a vegan cyclist last year wearing this jersey, was arrested by Thai police for breaking the law. This was in the Bangkok Post last year, and we have this again, this jersey. We have the vegan cyclist publicly shamed by Thai police for sketchy ride. And so, dangerous riding, the cyclist was arrested. Now, I want to make an apology to the race organisers and officially say that this rider is not part of our cycling team here in Thailand. We have kicked him out of our cycling group here in Thailand, Chiang Mai, for his behaviour last year at Doi Satep. And I want to apologise to the race organisers. Recently, he was abusive to a few riders in the bunch, and it was just not behaviour that's acceptable. So I want to apologise to the Chiang Mai Masters Cycling Group for that level of behaviour, and just want to remind them that he is not part of our group. After his behaviour last year, we cut ties. So that's just no hate, just sharing our comments and criticisms.